Hi guys, congratulations. This course is going to teach you a few things. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have been selling online since the year 2001. I started on eBay and then I transferred into Amazon even like 2002, 2003, believe it or not. So I was way ahead of the curve, and that's what I like to think, that most of the time I'm trying to stay ahead of the curve, because that's how you make your sales. So in this course, what you're going to learn is you're going to learn how to do drop shipping with what I believe is what no one else is doing right now. So what you're going to learn is how to find products. You're going to start from scratch. So you're going to start with email. I will take you step by step. So whether you're a very beginner or you've been doing this for a while, this course is for you, because I can take you from even just creating an email. I'm taking you to create an eBay account, a seller's account, how to put business policies in, how to set up shipping, how to do everything. And then I'm going to so once you have your eBay set up, I'm going to teach you how to take an automation tool that's going to take products and put them into your eBay account. And then you say, well, how do I know what products to take? Or how do I know what products to pick? So what I do is I teach you through Amzscout how to find products, how to find a niche, how to find keywords, how to title those products, how to do a description in those products on eBay, and how to maximize your efforts, your time to make a sale on eBay. So if that's what you're looking for, if you're trying to, make some money online, I have two tools, DSMtool and Amzscout. They're going to make this process so easy for you. But thanks again, and let's get started into your first lesson. Okay, so let's check out what this course is all about. So what dropshipping is. I know some of you aren't beginners, but some of you are. So what is dropshipping and how it works? So let's talk about that. A lot of hours to find products, at least it used to when I started in 2001. It would take a product that would actually be able to list with a little bit of profit, doing calculations or looking in my mind and taking it, listing it, hoping a customer purchased it, and then taking their product from their email that I got saying, hey, you made a sale. I would take their address, copy it and paste it, and then go back to the store I purchased it from and then ship it to the customer. So that's what drop shipping is. So basically you find a product online. Okay, this is all online. And you're going to take that product, list it on eBay, and then in hopes that a customer buys it. Now, what's next? Take hours. All right, so that was exhausting. I would actually go through flyers like CVS and Walmart, special flyers for the look for products that were on sale. Now, Amzscout help you. And what is Amzscout? Amzscout is a software extension that you put onto your Chrome, so browser Chrome, Safari. I'm not sure it's compatible with, but definitely Chrome. That's what I use it with. Amzscout, go to Amazon.com. Amazon.com is different stores, and it's going to analyze products in all the stores, entire Amazon.com. What Amzscout also will do is take statistics and analytics and takes the guesswork out of what products are actually selling and how much they're selling for, and they're making per month. All right, those are actual screenshots from my Amzscout. Just looking to post on here. Amzscout is whether or not a product is good or bad. It's actually going to give you a ranking from 1 to 10, telling you how likely you're going to make a profit and how well that product is for you to choose. Eventually, I'm going to do a course on picking a product that you can actually and make it your own product, how to get variables with Alibaba and AliExpress and that sort of thing. But today's course here is Amzscout and DSMtool and how to drop to eBay. Amzscout, you're going to find that product. You're going to pick that product that's good. It just told you statistically that this product should sell. You're going to take that product. Let's just say it's a kids fishing set. And you're going to Amazon.com, and with the help of DSMtool, you're going to click one button. It's going to take you to deal, and DSMtool is going to it's going to push it to eBay, and it's that fast. So what used to take me hours, I pushed into minutes using Amzscout and Dsmtool. eBay is going to have you're going to have a store on eBay. They're going to find you, or you're going to take that product, get it there. The customer is going to see the little fishing kit. They're going to set their eBay is going to send an email to Dsmtool, or not an email. They're going to correspond. They're going to communicate. You're going to have, hopefully, a good experience for that customer and grab those, what's very important for your store's algorithm, good reviews. So that will lead to your 5 stars. Now, a lot of times that doesn't happen when you're doing it on your own without software. So what does Dsmtool do? And I kind of talked about it earlier. Dsmtool is actually an extension as well, and a website. That it's going to go to the store, or because you went to Amzscout, it's going to find that product like the fishing tool set or fit. It's going to take that product, it's going to push it into or Shopify if you have a Shopify store that's new, and they're going to sell it for you to that customer. You're going to get paid through eBay, not directly. They're going to buy it on eBay. eBay's going to pay, take out the fees, and you're probably wondering what it's for. I'll talk about that later. Just watch the end of this section here. eBay, Dsmtool lists it to eBay, puts it in a store, they sell the product for you. Okay? So there's Dsm and Amzscout and how they're going to work for you. Smarter, not harder. That's what I say. It takes time and puts it in your pocket versus taking all the time. You know, maybe you're working another job or you're in school. You don't have the time, but you have a little bit of money to invest. This is worth it. It's worth investing a little bit of money to save you the time. So I'm going to talk in this course how you can enroll in Dsmtool and how the automated. I'm going to talk about how Amzscout takes the guesswork out of what products to list. You don't have to just scroll through and wonder anymore. I also talk about making sure, keywords and everything work. So if you're interested in dropship, enroll in this course today. I'm going to teach you Dsmtool, Amzscout, a little bit of that, help you a long way with this automated software. So just to give you a little more information, I'm going to be kind of fly through here about account setups, basic setups, about money, eBay. And again, if you're already set up on that part of the course, how different cashback websites can help you. We're going to create and connect basic accounts, Gmail, PayPal, eBay. I'm going to set those up. And again, if you're set up, you can skip that part of the course or, watch through it. Some of them I have some tips and some extra information and policies and that sort of thing that can help you with your, and it also helps you in the long run. So I'll help you with Gmail. And these are the things that you're going to need to set up: your name, address, email, and a checking account. For eBay, you'll need the same thing. It's pretty similar. And you have to sign up for eBay or email and PayPal before you can get an eBay account. And eBay account into a seller account. This is important. So listen, you have to list an item manually. So eBay thinks you're a buyer until you ask something, and you're just going to have to list maybe an item you have at home or find something that you want to dropship, but you have to list something. I'll talk about credit cards and why it's important for you to have a good credit card when you're doing all this dropshipping. I'll talk a little bit about the difference between semi-automatic and automatic dropshipping and what are. You will pick what you're comfortable to do or use. I'll talk about Be Frugal, how this is important, how you can sign up, how it saves you money, makes you money. Again, anytime if you could use my affiliate list up there, I appreciate it. And I just talk a little bit of works. And Ebates is similar to Be Frugal. It's going to save you some money. And I teach you how to get cash back using Ebates and how you can use that as well. I introduce different software, deal week, back. There's all sorts of ways that you make triple and quadruple dipping. Top Cash Back is another place that you can earn some money. E-com, not a whole lot of people are talking about, but if you're a drop shipper and you want to invest a little bit of money and do your drop shipping setup, they'll drop ship in and all sorts of automatic and hands off. You pay them, they do the work kind of information, and so that might be a new platform for you to learn as well. And I used to teach you, like, because a lot of people say, well, how much should I list it for? I'll talk about that in the course. So I'm going to introduce something that's going to save you a lot of time. I used to do all these calculations in the background, you know, get your product cost and then subtract that. Well, I have something new, but you do need to consider fees and taxes, and the way you're going to learn how to make some profit is through this website that has this calculation, and I'll give you the two in the course. So hopefully that's a good overview you're going to be learning. I'm excited for you. Some people in this course get this set up. They take it in the shorter amount of time, all in one chunk. They sell something in the first couple days. I've had those 5 hours that somebody told me. And then some just put it off. And if you want to make money, get started, put time aside, take the course, set up, and get going. It works. I've been doing this in one. It is a matter of duplicating what works, and if you want to make a lot of money, you just got to keep duplicating, but you do have to put time aside and get this all set up and get it moving. So let's get on to the next video. Okay, everyone, so the next question is, you're probably thinking what to expect from this course. So in this course, you're going to learn basically how to start from scratch. Now, what you need to do is go where you need to go in the course and start watching those videos. So, for example, what I'm talking about is I actually have steps on how to sign up for an email. If you don't need to sign up for an email, you don't need to watch those videos. If you already have an eBay account set up, then skip that section. But you may pick up a thing or two, and I try to keep my videos fairly short so they don't just run on and on, but I get right to the point in my videos and I get you moving. As you go through the course, push pause, work on what I just talked about. Push play, learn some more, take those steps, take the copy and paste, whatever it is you need to do, and move on. Now, what I would request while you're going through, if I say there's an affiliate link, if you don't mind using those affiliate links, I'd appreciate it. Primarily, those affiliate links are for DSMTool and Amzscout. And if you have any questions throughout the course, you can contact me through the course website, or you can go to my website, amyhunt.biz, and you can find my contact information there. I will also put it in the description below. So there's a lot of ways you can contact me. Hopefully, if I'm efficient enough, I've covered everything. You won't have any questions or many questions, and we'll get you working and get you making money online here pretty quickly. So with that being said, go to the course and print off the to-do checklist. That's going to help you follow step by step where you need to go. You don't have to, but it's just a little PDF or a Word file that I've created for those of you who like to have something next to you and you like to cross things off. Sometimes it just feels better. Plus, you can pick up where you left off from before. The course itself will also check things off to let you know what you've already watched and that sort of thing. But alright guys, let's get to it. Thanks for watching this video again, and let's get to the next video.